Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna do something a little fun and quick today. We're gonna play a game of if I can only choose one makeup product, what makeup product would that be? Alright you guys, let's get started. If you're new to my channel and you're just stopping by, please remember to hit that subscribe button, join this glam fam we have, set that notification bell so you can be notified that I do upload new videos every Sunday at 8 a.m. Pacific time, and when I'm not on YouTube, you can follow me at ChristyAllure on Instagram. I'm going to be popping in some videos during the midweek time frame, so please be sure to follow my Instagram so you can be alerted and notified when that does happen. You guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day, morning, night, whenever you're watching this video. I thought we'd do something a little different. You know, I just wanted to do a real quick video and I wanted to play this game of if I can only choose one makeup product, what would that be? I know that may sound simple to a lot of you, but honestly, like, this was really hard for me to really narrow down what I would choose, and it came down to mascara. I know it sounds a little weird that I would say that, but I just feel like even on the days where I just don't have anything on, if I have my lashes on point, I feel like eyes just speak to the soul. I really do. I'm an eye person. I just love looking at people's eyes, and it's just when you talk to people and when you're looking at people, I just feel like you can see so much through someone's eyes, and I just feel like mascara and lashes bring that out. Now, if you were to choose between lashes and mascara, of course I would go lashes. I would skip the mascara and just do lashes. But I know the average person in this world, the average people in this world don't wear eyelashes. But if you were to make me choose, I'm gonna choose lashes. But lashes, mascara, I mean, they're all the same, right? Right? So I thought this would be a good opportunity for me to go through all my favorite mascaras, because I don't really talk about mascara a lot on my channel, and I thought that would be kind of fun. So we're gonna review some mascaras along the way. We're just gonna make this a quick video, and I wanna get you guys involved, and I want you to tell me and comment below your favorite mascara. Okay, that's number one. And then number two, I want you to tell me, like, what would be your one product? What would be that one product that if someone said, I'm throwing you on a deserted island and this is only one product you can take with you, what would that be? I kind of had fun with my girlfriends on a Zoom call the other day, and it's interesting, you know, everyone brought up some good points. Like one of my girlfriends, hey Court, she said lip gloss, and then my friend Sarah said lip balm. And you know what, those are good ideas, because honestly I do get really dry lips, and I was like, oh my gosh, do I want to take that back now? But let's just go over some of my favorite mascaras. So we have my favorite one, if I'm like, okay, I have to choose one mascara, Extended Play Gigablack Lash Mascara. I talk about this a lot on my channel. I feel like this is just a very universal mascara. The drugstore equivalent would be Maybelline Lash Discovery. I will pop up both of them right there. We're not going to do like a full-on like ranking and all that stuff, because I do feel like they're not new products, and I'm only gonna save that for new products. But if I were to choose between the two of them, I would go with the MAC, but if I'm on a budget, that Maybelline one is just as good. But this is just, I don't know what they did to this formula, but it is phenomenal. It is the best of the best. And I will pop in a picture right there and show you what it looks like on its own without my lashes. I do have some Ardell lashes in right now. I'm just using the Studio Effects, and these are the Wispies. And I love Wispies for just that natural look. So if you were to really say, Christy, what is the one item? I would say my lashes. I would, because I would need my lashes and my glue though. So that's why I was like, but does that really count? I mean, that's kind of an applicator, not really a product. So I guess my one product would be Ardell lashes. But, you know, if you were to take that away from me, I would say mascara, and it would be this Gigablack one would be my absolute favorite. This does not budge, and it goes through crying, it goes through sweating. I mean, this does not budge. I just introduced this to one of my girlfriends, and she was like, I can't stop using it. Like, it is so good. And it really is. It's phenomenal. I will have all the links on the bottom. Be sure to utilize those links. You guys, it really helps support my channel. So thank you. Sorry, I had to throw that in there. But anyway, yeah, this GIGIBLACK, the best, to me, the best mascara. Because I feel like, I mean, yes, volume's good, but I really want that separation and that length and just, you know, and nothing does the lower lash line like this. And then with my eyelashes in like this, I'll show you guys. Oh, you know, I'm going to show you on a different mascara actually, because I use this one in a lot of videos, but yeah, oh my gosh, ultimate number one. If you're really on a budget, you guys, this, oh my gosh, I love Shein, Shein.com. This is from Shein. I just love their clothes and it's so affordable, and it's free shipping, I think after $35 or something like that. And you get, I'll show the website right there, you guys, and they're always having coupons on their website. So you can always get really, really good deals. I get so many great quality clothes on their website, but not only that, their makeup. Oh my gosh, you guys have probably seen this mascara going around virally because it is phenomenal. Phenomenal. I mean, phenomenal. But this one literally does not budge. It's just, it's kind of hard to get off. That's the only problem. This one's a little bit easier. And I'll show you some makeup removers I like for waterproof mascara, because honestly, I know a lot of you probably think I stay away from waterproof mascara because, you know, it's too hard to get off, but I won't use any mascara unless it is waterproof for like an everyday, unless I'm just like filming a quick tutorial, because honestly, waterproof mascara, nothing makes your lashes pop like waterproof mascara. There's just something in the formula that just makes it stay and just, I don't know, creates the most beautiful false lash effect when it's waterproof, okay? So I know that sounds crazy. This is waterproof. This is double-ended. One side gives you volume with the fat end, and then the other side really, really defines and gives you that separation. I'm gonna put this on my lashes right now. So I'm gonna pop this mirror out real quick. And I'm gonna show you guys, oh my gosh, you guys don't even know. Like, oh, I guess it's kind of hard to show you, but this is what I mean, it just makes your eyes look so incredibly wide-eyed, and it separates them like nobody's business. This is incredible, and it's what, $5? It's insanely good. I have the foundation on the way, the SHEGLAM foundation from Shein. That's why it's called SHEGLAM. Oh my gosh, I've heard the foundation's phenomenal, and it's like $8. So we will be doing that review and tutorial soon, so look out for that. I have it on the way right now. It still hasn't arrived. But yes, that is my other, I would say number one and number two right now. Oh my gosh, but affordability, I mean, I think this is like $20 and $5 for a mascara, and that good is insane. Now, if we're talking about higher price points, the, let's see, this is the LANCOME MONSIEUR. Okay, all of LANCOME mascaras are phenomenal. Definiciels or whatever, they're all, I mean, I've used LANCOME for so many years. Their mascaras are, you know, top of the line. We're talking a nice, good, fluffy brush. This really gives you just that nice full lash effect. But it's, you know, it's pricier. I want to say it's like $27. I'll put it right there. But, you know, phenomenal, phenomenal mascara. LANCOME has always been, you know, just the OG of mascara. But then good old Mama Pat came out with Dark Star Mascara. I was on a masterclass when she launched this, and I mean, I had all my notes ready to go, and then it just took me forever to get the actual mascara to purchase it. But I did use this in my full face of Pat McGrath makeup. You can check out that card right there. And oh my gosh, you guys, this mascara is insanely good. It is really good. It's, you know, on the pricier end, but you're talking LANCOME type times 10, I think. I think it's even better than the LANCOME one. It is so good. So if you are looking for more of a luxury type mascara, this is a really, really good one. Both of these you can get the drugstore equivalent, and the L'Oreal Voluminous, I will always swear by the volume you get from that. And for the longest time, because you really should interchange you shouldn't, first of all, don't ever do this. I don't want to do it because it's going to ruin it. You're allowing air bubbles to get in there, and it's gonna ruin your mascara. So never do this with your mascara, by the way. You know, really just try to keep it nice and tight on the, and don't keep them for more than, I think that's 3 months. I'll put mascara tips right here on the side. But yeah, I mean, it's just stuff you really, really want to be careful with when it comes to mascara, because you don't want anything, you know, the eye area is so sensitive, and you just want to be really, really cautious. Never, if you're a younger person watching this, or you're beginner to makeup, never share your mascara with anybody. Just keep your mascara to yourself. If you do, you know, if you have to like borrow someone's mascara, make sure you get a clean spoolie and use it. But really, I don't even suggest that. So, I mean, I know it's, you know, it's difficult sometimes because, oh, I forgot my mascara, and you're with your bunch of girlfriends. Try to use a clean spoolie. You can always go to like Ulta or Sephora or somewhere, run in a store, and they have disposable spoolies all the time. I always carry a ton of spoolies with me, just in general. I just think they're good to have, and you know, it just really helps. Like these are disposable ones. I have them in my Amazon store, and you can just dip those in there and use them. But I use them for everything, you guys. And then one trick with mascara, since we're on the topic of mascara, is we all have done this before, is you're finished with your makeup, you're looking, you're feeling yourself, you're like, dang girl, your eyeshadow looks good, your makeup looks good, everything's on point, and then boom, you get the mascara right here, right? Or right there on your eyelash, or your eyeshadow. And you're like, really? And it's usually when you're in a hurry, right? Because you're like, always, I mean, I'm always in a hurry. So usually it's when you're in a hurry and you're like, oh, why did that have to happen to me? Let it dry. I know that's hard, and I know you think it's the end of the world. And you're like, oh my God, I'm gonna have to do all my makeup again. This is, and you're probably saying all the words that you're not supposed to be saying. And you're really upset, right? Because I know, I've been there, I've done that. The best thing you can possibly do, and that's why I always say carry disposable spoolies with you, is let it dry. Let it dry, let it dry, let it dry. It may take 10 minutes. Let that baby dry. Even if you have to get in the car and go somewhere, go to your event or whatever it is, just let it dry. If you go in there with a Q-tip and start moving it around when it's still wet, that's when the game is over. That is when you're gonna have to do everything over. Just be patient, let it dry. Take your spoolie, not your mascara spoolie, but your empty, clean spoolie, and you just flick it away. Flick, flick, and it will come right off, and it will not cause any damage. So please remember that. That's my makeup tip of the day. So anyway, that would be my one makeup product. I know, shocker. I don't know if you guys would have guessed that. Maybe you would have. Comment below, let me know. But mascara would be my choice. If I was, you know, like hands behind my back and someone said, okay, you can only bring one product with you, or you're going to a deserted island and you can only have one makeup product, that would be the product, because I feel like I can do a lot with the mascara. I can really build it up. But I mean, if you really want to be honest, it would be my lashes. It would be my lashes and some glue. But I mean, that's two products, I guess, technically. I don't know. We already went over that. Anyway, I am wearing the Ardell lashes today, you guys. I thought this would be kind of fun to throw that in and kind of give you some mascara choices. I wanted to keep this really short today. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you're new to my channel, please again, remember to hit that subscribe button and click the bell. Give this video a huge thumbs up, you guys. I really appreciate it when you click that like button. It really helps me in the algorithm. Follow me at Christy Allure on Instagram, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.